Guys, this is Raicheal from Nemer Chrysler Deep Dodge Ram in Queensbury with our brand new 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab in a beautiful maximum steel gray with a chrome accent appearance package. Awesome running boards, keyless entry, comes accessible with the trailer tow package, dual exhaust, very comfortable and very easy to clean. Premier sport cloth interiors. 8.4-inch touchscreen with a rear view backup camera. One of our most spacious crew cabs is the 2019 Ram 1500. Automatic rear sliding window. We have amazing rebates going on this month with 2019 Ram, so come check it out with me, Raicheal, at Nemer Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Queensbury.